Hello, everyone. Today we will talk about the job seeker training and assistance in Norway program that we in Norwegian Language School are offering. At Norwegian Language School, we are dedicated to providing comprehensive job seeker training and assistance in Norway. Our mission is to help individuals navigate the competitive labor market in Norway and find their ideal jobs by offering customized job search assistance, CV design, LinkedIn design tailored to the Norwegian market, and Norwegian language training. So, what is unique about the Norwegian labor market? Well, first, when it comes to unemployment rates and trends, relatively low unemployment rates characterize the Norwegian labor market compared to other European countries. However, specific sectors and regions may experience higher unemployment rates, making it essential for job seekers to stay competitive and well prepared for the job hunt in Norway. Important job market sectors include uh, various opportunities in various different sectors, including then oil and gas, maritime renewable energy, beauty care, technology, construction, and healthcare. At Norwegian Language School, we are committed to helping job seekers explore their potential and find suitable employment opportunities in these thriving industries. We focus on customized job search assistance. We understand that each job seeker has unique needs and goals. We therefore provide personalized job search assistance to help individuals identify their ideal career path and target the most relevant job openings. Our team of experts will work closely with job seekers to create a customized job search strategy in Norway, offering guidance and support at every process step. We also provide CV and LinkedIn design for the Norwegian market. A well designed CV and LinkedIn profile are essential for making a solid impression on potential employers in Norway. Our team of professionals will help job seekers craft a CV and set up a LinkedIn profile that are visually appealing and tailored to the Norwegian job market's unique requirements. We showcase the most relevant skills that you have, qualifications and experience, ensuring job seekers present themselves in the best light possible. As the official language of Norway, Norwegian is a crucial skill for job seekers looking to integrate into the local labor market. We offer language training courses designed to help individuals learn or improve their Norwegian language skills. Our courses cover speaking, listening, reading, and writing, focusing both on the specific language requirement relevant to your industry and the job market in general. Over the years, we have helped numerous individuals find their ideal jobs in Norway. Our clients' success stories serve as a testament to the effectiveness of our training and assistance programs. Combining customized job search assistance, CV design, LinkedIn design, and language training has empowered job seekers to confidently navigate the Norwegian labor market and secure fulfilling employment opportunities. At Norwegian Language School, we are dedicated to providing comprehensive job seeker training and assistance in Norway. Our customized job search assistance, CV design services, LinkedIn design services, and our Norwegian language training, the Norwegian language courses, help individuals stand out in the competitive labor market in Norway and secure the jobs that they seek to or their dream jobs. With our support, job seekers can confidently navigate the Norwegian job market and build successful careers in their chosen fields. Contact us if you are interested in our job seeker training and assistance in Norway program. You can contact us directly by sending us an email at info@nlsnorwegian.no, info@nlsnorwegian.no. You can also call us on our phone. Call us at +47 908 14 756. So +47 908 14 756. Read more by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.